The Posi-Pin Safety Shear is a patented Sailrite innovation. This simple pin is designed to break at the shear point to protect your machine from internal damage or timing issues when you hit something that you shouldn't while sewing, such as zipper teeth or a snap or machine binds. When the pin breaks, your machine will stop operating immediately to avoid damage. The pins are intended to be sacrificial, and replacing a broken one is easy. First, remove the broken Posi-Pin and discard it. Next, insert a new Posi-Pin into one of the holes in the balance wheel. While maintaining light pressure on the Posi-Pin, rotate the balance wheel from top down towards yourself until the Posi-Pin locks into a mating hole in the balance wheel bushing. The broken end of the Posi-Pin will fall out on its own accord and can be discarded. Once you have replaced the Posi-Pin, there are a few other components we recommend checking before proceeding to sew. You'll want to tilt the machine back to remove these components. First, check the gib hook for burrs from needle strikes. Then feel the top surface, left side, right side, and bottom surface of the gib hook for burrs. If there's a burr, you can use a fine file or emery paper to polish it down in line with the contours of the hook. You can also replace the gib hook. Next, check the retaining ring cap spring. Every Ultrafeed comes with a spare retaining ring cap spring, making the first replacement quick and easy. If you choose to replace the cap spring, we have a video on how to do so linked in our description below. Lastly, you must replace the needle, which was likely damaged or broken in the strike. We have also linked a tutorial on replacing your needle in the description below. Once you have followed all those steps and reinstalled your gib hook, retaining ring, and bobbin, you are ready to keep sewing.